Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing immigrant spouse visas. Now, this could be the immigrant spouse of either a lawful permanent resident in the United States or an American citizen. And we're posing the question, why does the NVC even exist? Full disclosure, I am not a big fan of the NVC. I've become less of a fan of the NVC, and to be clear, for those unaware, the NVC stands for National Visa Center, which is an institution that one has to deal with after being approved for a USCIS petition or an underlying petition for an alien relative. You then have to deal with the NVC before you can even get to the embassy phase and start dealing with interviews, etc. The reason for this video is I've had a lot of people ask me this in the past few months because NVC is where these things just bog down. I view it as kind of a bureaucratic quagmire. In my opinion, its function is redundant, and quite honestly, I truly wonder, especially after the last administration, if it isn't designed to just simply be obtuse and keep people from getting their visa, because the things that they ask for, I threw up my hands the other day. I was just getting very upset dealing with the system, and to be clear, it's not something you have to deal with when dealing with fiancé visas. Oddly enough, they sort of bypass it, and the case goes directly to the embassy concerned. But the NVC, it's just, these days, they ask for something, I think it was a divorce decree on the petitioner, and it wasn't immediately asked for, it wasn't, and sometimes it's in the petition, I don't understand why that's even an issue at the NVC point. That's already been adjudicated. And they had asked for some other things. I think they may have just thrown it in there when they asked for some other stuff. But I found it kind of galling because as far as I was concerned, it was redundant. Now, I know in their little system they've got the box there for, hey, petitioner's divorce decree. Well, it's not a requirement. So, I don't know. Long story short, my personal opinion is I don't see the purpose of National Visa Center. I think that function, along with USCIS's function in an IR-1 and CR-1 context, could easily be consolidated. Now, that said, oftentimes when things of that nature happen, which would be a major shift with the past, usually doesn't augur well overall. So maybe we should just be happy with the broken system we have as it is.